wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best rolling backpacks. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The High Sierra AT7 has a versatile build that's well suited to a variety of needs. It features a removable day pack for side trips and one-day excursions. Plus, the wheels can handle hours on cobblestone streets and dirt roads without slowing down. It boasts an expandable main compartment and reflective piping for visibility. However, it feels a bit bulky when carried on the back. At number 9, the Tilami School and Travel has an armored bottom to prevent it from wearing out as you roll it along, and a high-strength aluminum handle that shouldn't ever bend. It's a little on the small side for 3-ring binders, but can easily hold a laptop or a couple of textbooks. It's equipped with well-padded strap pockets and a pullover wheel cover, but the colors tend to fade over time. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Olympia Gen X is large, affordable, durable, and offers lots of organizational pockets. Basically, it's everything you want in a backpack, with the addition of smooth rolling wheels for those times you're tired of carrying it around. It fits inside most school lockers and comes with thick padding on the back. However, the side pocket elastic isn't very strong. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rolling backpacks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, when not in use, the handle of the Samsonite 17896 tucks away into a zippered compartment, as do the straps, so you'll never have to worry about either of them getting in the way. It's made from a sturdy ripstop nylon to ensure it lasts for years. It rolls almost completely silently and is the perfect size for weekend trips, but it's only available in 4 color schemes. Moving up our list to number 6. If you need to carry around a lot of stuff, the Jansport Driver 8 Core series is one of the best options. It has 2 large main compartments compared to just one in most others, plus a number of other pockets scattered about. It offers a good amount of water resistance and is backed by a lifetime warranty. However, it is unwieldy when fully loaded. Halfway up our list at number 5. It's a known fact that carrying heavy books to school can lead to back pain in kids, even those still in elementary school. The Skip Hop Zoo can help reduce the possibility of this happening to your child, not to mention they'll love the fun animal designs it comes in. It's equipped with a side mesh bottle pocket and a removable parent carrying strap, but note that this one is intended for kids to roll, not carry. At number 4, the High Sierra XBT has smooth-rolling, corner-mounted wheels, along with corner guards to protect it from scratches and scrapes. It also has a kick plate and is strong enough to hold up to 30 pounds of items without tearing. It fits under most airline seats and includes compression straps and lots of interior padding. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the jansport superbreak has a bottom skid plate to protect it when rolling over rough terrain. Integrated into the handle is a quick release button, so it's easy to put it into backpack mode just in case you need to pick it up and run to catch the bus. It features a comfort grip padded handle, accommodates 3-inch binders, and maneuvers nearly effortlessly. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rolling backpacks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the J-World NY Sunrise comes in a lot of unique patterns that really make it stand apart from the crowd. It has air mesh shoulder straps that are very comfortable to wear for extended periods, and an organizer in the front pocket for things like pens, cards, and change. It doesn't wobble when rolling, and the material is easy to clean. It's equipped with a multi-stage height-adjustable handle. And taking the top spot on our list, the Kipling Alcatraz has a top-to-bottom U-shaped opening that allows you to load it to capacity without having to struggle to get it to accommodate large items. When rolling, the backpack straps can be unhooked and shoved into a zippered pocket. This one's roomy enough to be a carry-on bag, and the pockets are intuitively placed. It comes with a secure buckle closure. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rolling backpacks, or simply click beneath this video.